Hello and welcome to the channel Crypto Enthusiasts. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your XEmpire Airdrop allocation to your Bybit wallet. Alright, I'm going to be showing you step by step what you need to do, how to locate it in Bybit, and everything you need to do to make sure that you get to receive this token in your Bybit Exchange. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the allocation I was given, which is my little allocation, which is just 78,918. Okay. And right here you can see that we have the charity program. Now the charity program is not compulsory, and if I click on this right now, you see that you have about 3 options which you can actually donate tokens to. You have the charity, Bybit UID, Expire team, and let me make this clear, right? For those of us who are hoping that if we somehow send these tokens to the charity, we would be earning something, please note that once you do this, you are getting nothing. This is a voluntary action, so make sure you have considered this as a giveaway before making the decision or pressing the send button. Okay, so heading to the withdrawal option right now, as you can see right here, we have Bybit Exchange. Right, we're going to be opening our Bybit wallet right now, and you're going to see everything we're going to be needing to withdraw this. Right, so I'm just going to click on Bybit Exchange right now. Now before you do this, make sure that you have downloaded the Bybit Exchange from your Google Play Store or App Store for iOS users, and make sure that it is verified, right? Because if it's not verified, you're not going to be receiving this token. Make sure it is KYC verified, and if you're living in Nigeria, you might want to use your BVN because that's the fastest way to get this verified. Okay, so now we have been asked, do you have a Bybit account? So we're going to say yes, I have it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on yes, I have it. And right now you can see we have 3 options right here, which is the Bybit UID, the X deposit address, and the memo. Okay, which is very important. And here is a quick roadmap which will be happening in a few days. Okay, so I'm just going to open up my Bybit right now and fix in these details and click save and choose. So we're going to open up our Bybit right now. So guys, this is Bybit, and I also want to say something before you do this. Make sure that your Bybit is updated to the latest version, right, for this to work properly. As you can see, update now. I'm going to click on update now just to update this on Google Play Store. For those of us who are downloading this for the first time, this blue button right here will be seen as install, but if you have it already, of course you know it's going to be update. So we're going to go ahead right now and update this very app so that everything would work properly. Now once you're sure you have downloaded this or updated this is how this would look like. Okay, so we're going to head back to XEmpire right now. I'm just going to remove the Play Store, and the first thing we're meant to do right here is to copy our UID, which you can see right here. So we're going to head over to Bybit right now. Now to copy your UID, you just go over to the top right here, which is your profile icon, and what you're meant to do is to copy the UID which you see right here. You're going to see this little copy icon right here. Just go ahead and click on that, and the moment you click on that, you're going to see copy successfully. Now head back to XEmpire and paste in that very link you just copied right here. Okay, paste in that very UID you just copied right here. It's random numbers and it's unique to each account. Okay, yours would always be different from mine. The information we're meant to provide next is the deposit address of XEmpire. So we're going to head back to Bybit right now, and then click back, go back to the home section, and then move to the assets section. Okay, you want to click on assets, which is this right here. Now the moment you click on assets, you're going to land on this very page. Go ahead and click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, you're going to see a couple of options right here. You want to click on deposit crypto, and then scroll down right here. Just keep scrolling down. Just use the letters you see right here. Okay, and your target should be X, which is this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on this very X right here, and XEmpire would be at the top. All right, it's currently at the top right now. Now if you click on the search bar, you're not going to really see it, so it's best you just follow the letters. Okay, so I'm going to select XEmpire at the top, and then next thing we are meant to do is to click on this very turn right here. After clicking this, you're going to see this notice which is going to ask you to copy every details correctly and confirm it is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, and as you can see right here, we have our wallet address and the memo or tag. All right, so this is the 2 information we're going to be providing. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and click on copy to copy the wallet address which you see right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this copy icon right now. Now as you can see, it is copied successfully. So I'm just going to go back to the XEmpire app and paste in this deposit address I just copied. Okay, the next one I'm going to copy right now is the memo, which is the last one right here. Please note, this memo is not optional, right? Once you are carrying out a transaction and you see that it has a memo, you have to copy it, or else your funds would get lost. So we're going to head back to Bybit right now and then copy the very memo right here, which is this. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the copy icon and then head back to XEmpire, right? And then paste in this very memo you see right here. And now the save and choose button is now visible. Okay, as you can see right here, save and choose. But before we do that, we have to make sure the information we provided is correct. Now, so I'm going to check this and it's correct. The UID of course is correct, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this very button that says save and choose. So this has been successfully saved. The important information right here is this very information you see right here. I'm going to read it out to you right now, and please take note. All right, you want to always check this. The first information right here says that the withdrawal or deposit starts at October 18. The second information right here states that October 23, 2024 at 9 a.m. UTC deposit ends. So 9 a.m. UTC deposit ends. If you're in Nigeria, that's like 10 a.m. UTC. Okay, you want to check UTC on Google depending on your country, so it differs. So the next right here is October 23rd, 2024 at 6 p.m. UTC, Bybit confirmation deadline or decline. Okay, so this is the time they would confirm the save option we chose, and of course distribution would also begin. Now on October 24, 12 p.m. UTC, you get your airdrop. After the confirmation is done, they'll prepare for distribution. At this very point, they prepare for distribution, and by October 24, 12 p.m. UTC, you get your airdrop, and that's it. Now if you're not comfortable, you want to change your exchange, you don't want to use Bybit again, maybe you decided to use BitGet or OKX, you can come over here and click on the reset option, and the reset will take place. Okay, so I'm just going to click this right now. As you can see, no gas fee, we have selected Bybit as our exchange option. Again, you can see the reset withdrawal option button right here if you're not comfortable with the option you choose. Now there's something important I need to tell you. Okay, now don't give up on this, but what I want to let you know is that the current airdrop that is currently going up is now about the amount of money you invested and the number of referrals you have. Okay, if you don't invite people, you don't invest any money, you are going to be getting big to allocation. I just tested this with XEmpire and my confirmation turned out to be true because I mined a lot of tokens. Okay, my tokens was worth over 15 billion. Okay, I know some people had over 100 billion and stuff like that, but at least I was expecting more than this. But my confirmation were true, as it's now about money invested and number of friends you have. Okay, so bear this in mind whenever you're joining a Telegram airdrop again, because Notcoin was the first and the first that differs. So no airdrop will give you this kind of opportunity again. So make sure that you keep this in mind, and make sure that whenever you join an airdrop, you are diligent in minding this. You do it consistently. Okay, this is the video I have for you today. If you really enjoyed it, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more updates. If you have any question, kindly leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you also want to get more information, you might want to join our social media handle using the link in the description. Like I said before, if you haven't created your Bybit account, make sure you do and verify it. You can verify it in a day depending on the verification option you use. You can use the link in the description, or the Bybit code I will drop in the description of this very video. So this is it guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.